are walking down the main drag in Cozumel. And we are going to go hit up a beach bar, a bar hopping thing that I had planned. And so we just were at, we were at El Cid, had some appetizers and some drinks. And now we are going to check out Tequila Bar, which is our first stop. Is there a way to turn this around? No. Okay, see you when we get there. Okay, so we just finished up at Tequila, and it was very cool. Great atmosphere. We had $5 beers, and this is where we're figuring out that we're gonna need to convert our money into pesos, because if we would have done pesos, it would have been $3.40. So we're gonna try to find a bank or something, maybe tomorrow. We're on a sunset booze cruise walking tour right now, but we'll maybe do that tomorrow. And our next stop right now is the Sunset Bar. All right, we'll see ya. That is true. Sunset Bar. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Downstairs. Massages. Steps. You can snorkel here. What? Oh. Very nice. And then the bar.
One, two.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Luisa. I'm working in Sunset Restaurant. Every day we have a live music like now. Our special in beers is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. 2 for 1. En Tecate, 2X, Indio, Heineken, and draft beer. And
Okay.
the best one we have is the margaritas.
What's your favorite thing about working here?
Ooh, my favorite thing?
Yeah.
I love the live music.
Yeah. Gracias.
And have the best office.
So for our 4 followers, you know that we don't drink a lot of like liquor or anything. So this place is really cool because they have the 2 for 1, like she just said, beer specials from happy hours from 1 to 3 and then 4 to 7. So these beers are $1.50. I'm a giant fan of the Ultra, the Amstel Ultra, and a lot of places don't have that, and they have them here. They're not included in the happy hour special, but they still have them, which is nice. A lot of places don't. This is the first place we've been where they have them. And they have a lot of people who are swimming in the ocean right off the dock with their kids, and they're, like she said, the live music is starting shortly. So this is a very cool atmosphere and great prices. What's your favorite thing about this place?
Great view and cold beer.
Yeah. They're also making everything homemade, like their margaritas and their pina coladas. It's not just juice they're getting out of a bucket. They're making them homemade and blending them homemade, which if you liked pina coladas, I'm sure this is the place to do it. It's also nice to see everyone with their kids swimming and checking out the sunset. It's perfect. So we're heading on to our next stop. We just had 4 beers for $11 because it's happy hour. And so we are on to our next walking tour bar. Let's go. Okay, so don't give up on me. That was a longer walk than we anticipated. It was probably about a mile between them. But when you get to this dollar bar, it's worth it. So we're each getting Tecate Light for $1, and I will show you a picture of the view. Here we go. Before you leave the last bar. And look at his shirt, it's super sweaty. What are the baño? But it's super cool vibes in here. Dollar beers. Yes, so it's perfectly worth it. Check that out, you guys. We're getting ready for the sunset. bar, but everywhere you go and you look, they have name tags of people who have left their name tags, so that's pretty cool too. So I will stop this video and show you the swimmers and the divers. our last stop on the Walking Sunset Bar Crawl, and the sun has set, and we are going into a Rock and Java restaurant.
Looks fun.
Here we are. Okay, so that was it because they don't have an outside, so we are done with our sunset walking bar crawl, and it works out perfectly because we are downtown. So we are going to check out some dinner. We're gonna go to Wet Wendy's. Let's get wet, yeah! It's dinner time, and like I said, we're downtown, so it works out perfectly. Talk to you soon. Funny how we were taking in the, oh, there's the lobster shack right there, see it? We were taking in the vibes of all of the beach clubs, the beach bars, and then now that we're in town, it's a whole different feel. Tons of locals like taking it in, swimming, relaxing, and all these bars that are sweet. There's like rooftops, tons of restaurants. Oh, there's a money exchange. We need to go there so we can get pesos. But we're being sidetracked by all these cool bars. So, tons of people walking, absolutely no safety concerns. Totally fun vibe here in the city. And we're right by the ferries come in. Over there and exchange some money. Live music, fun party hats. Just not a lot of people here because there are 0 cruise ships. Basic USA food. Margaritas are the big giant ones are $14. I like it. Do you like it? It'd be cool if he was doing it in Spanish. I think part of it's Spanglish, I think you're right. Some lobster. Every single person I feel like local has mentioned this place. Comes with some soup. Chef up front grilling all